Hey friends, thank you for joining this session. We will be making here the CURD operation with respect to RESTful APIs using Spring Boot, JPA, MySQL, and a database as a database. Here we will be building employee management system. Getting it started. Just we want to take some more on the that what we are going to have in this CURD operation. We will be making CURD RESTful API. For this, we need and model class where model class we will take as an employee. Now, for this model class initiative, we have to have the repository. We will be taking employee repository, and to handle this all repository and the model class, we should have the controller for the API. So we will be having the controller, and to handle the exception, we will be making an exception class also where we will be making our customized exceptions. We will see that what how we will be go through the customized exception. So first step, we will be starting with our project with startspring.io, which is a initializer where through this we can get Spring Boot project very fast. So we will be using Maven and Java, and we will be using Spring Boot version 3.02. Okay, we will be having Java 11. So here with the com, we will have the group, and demo we will take as CURD, or you can have the CURD operations also. So CURD is also fine. So like this, and demo CURD, and like that we can add some dependencies also regarding this. Dependencies which we needed for this will be of web. We will be adding dependency of web, and for other dependencies we must be having DevTools, so which provides fast application restart and live reloads and configuration for enhanced development experiences. For that, we have taken it as DevTools. And after that, we are having MySQL. So we will be having this driver, and for most, we will be using JPA. So we have the Spring Data JPA. So all things are set now. So we generate the project, and this is our project which which is generated. So justly we will go fastly to the G drive and have any of the project here, and make a folder, Spring Boot CURD example, and we will mention 070223 the number. So now on the download part, we will go and we will have this the zip file, and then we will open with, and uh, we will extract all the content from here. So this is the extracted component now we are having. Okay, so that's really fine with this respect. Okay, we are having demo code, and fastly we open our IntelliJ. So we can just open IntelliJ IDE, and before just coming up, I want to show that what we are going to do. So here, so we were using the slide which I've made with respect to Spring Boot. So in Spring Boot, firstly, as we will be making the CURD application, and then we will be having some application.properties file we will be making. Then we will be having basic employee repository, and after employee repository we will be making employee class, and employee class after that we will be making a controller. So let's jump in the coding. So okay, so we have reached. Okay, so demo code operation one. Uh, so previously exactly in we will delete this. We will make it from the scratch. So we will remove this module as we have removed it now. So this we will remain it as yeah, this we will remain it. So now we will be having in the repository part, in the new we will come and we will be taking module from the existing source, and then from the existing source exactly we will be taking the CURD demo which we have taken it up, and like that we will delete it up and we will push it up and the CURD demo. And on the CURD demo front we will put it okay, and we will be taking create module from the existing source, and click next. We'll remove the upper one and we will click it for the next. So we will be having maven wrapper.jar here. That's perfectly fine, and we will create this project. So now it's downloading. So started downloading. It is scanning the files to index. So as it is loaded, the things will come up here. Okay. So I think so that that's not needed that much. So we are just cleaning this all. Yeah. So this is our blank CURD demo. So you can have this demo CURD. So here you are seeing that we are in the SRC folder. In the main we are having the Java, where we are having the demo CURD application app. So firstly we have something in our form also, but we have to change this our Java version from 17 because we have taken 11. So we will be just changing it to 11 version, and for most exactly so yeah, build has happened successful. Now we can have this we can see this with clean compile and install, and then we go through this, and we just see that this is happening perfectly or not. So we are having that cannot access the Spring Framework application. So might be the POM is not built. So we will go in file, and will do invalidate cache, and let's see, after it will turn up, and again we will build our jars so that this whatever the dependencies are there, they will be reflecting on that. So yeah, see, all things are now coming, and but it is still reading the pom.xml. So always downloads. We will choose it up so that all the error which are coming in the project will go down, and we will have to wait up to the scanning of the files are happening, and you are seeing that it is taking the charts now, and by that way it will be going through. So still the thing. So now, firstly, we wanting to make our this application dot properties. So where we have to have the database type of properties where we have to be making up. We will be starting it up. So firstly, we will have the Spring data source. So we will have our Spring data source. And this data source is having data source auto configuration and the data source properties. And data source properties. So after this, you can mention that Spring dot data source dot. You can have the URL here. So you can mention the URL as JDBC MySQL, and take it as localhost and 3306, and my database name you can have it. So we can have the database name. So that will be Avantika Technology. We will take it up like this. So we are having these details. So we will take this from the resource folder of this. So this here we have also used the same properties in this project. So, so in this project also we will be taking the same up. Uh, So that's how we will be taking it up. So now we will see that why this project is not having the dependencies again. There is problem with the dependencies. So we can have this like the the dependencies which we are having. So we will have the dependencies from here. So these are the same ones which we have used in our previous projects also. So we will taking up it up, and in the pom.xml we will be having these dependencies. So we will select all this and remove, and then we will place it up. And plugins, exactly, we need that we are using 2.7.2. So here we have to get the plugin also. So this plugin, we will have it like this. Uh, so this is having the group ID and all that, which will be taking it up in a couple of minutes, because this is our plugins and it is coming under yeah, this is this build coming under plugins, so might be this will be an issue here. So after builds we will be having in the plugins. So now we are having this also we have to build this demo code. So we will start clean, again compile, and then we will install it up and we will start our build. So build process is going on. So yeah, so all build is going it on. So we are that we are building this project from the scratch. So while making from the scratch, these things just come our way. So again, we have to invalidate cache so that whatever the files are there, so they can come it up. So let's see, as the Eclipse again IntelliJ opens, then we will see that how the things of our build is going it on. So it's loading. Yeah. So always allows the download, as we need that the all our dependencies should take a smooth ride, so that we didn't feel any discomfort while developing the project. So scanning the files now, it is indexing the library with Maven. So as all these dependencies will be on place, as now we are having our application dot properties also in place. So we are good to then go with creating packages. So in the next part, we will create the packages which we have discussed. So please hit and like my and subscribe my channel. So the in the next we will be making the CURD operations regarding that. Thank you.